Guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily breed villagers. So here, as you can see, I have trapped two villagers inside this hole with about 3 beds. You can also put just 2 beds, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to drop about 6 breads and about 12 carrots. And similarly you're going to drop about 12 potatoes, just like this, okay? Now we're just gonna give them a little bit of space and we're just gonna check on them. And if you guys see red hearts when you check on them, it means that they're breeding, okay? So let's just wait and then go. As you can see, there are breeding right now, and we're just gonna see a villager child in about 10 seconds. So let's check it out. As you can see, a villager child has spawned. So that's pretty much a small tutorial on how to breed villagers. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.